What is the yo-yo effect and what is it doing to your body? In this video, I'm going to talk to you about the yo-yo effect and what happens to your body when you continue to yo-yo diet. And a little hint, it's not good. And if you stay until the end of this video, I'll share with you how you can get your hands on my free guide that details 11 tips to achieving successful weight maintenance. To get even more weight maintenance tips and strategies, the very same ones I've used to help thousands of people lose weight and keep it off, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and ring that little bell to be notified when I release a brand new video every single Tuesday. If you feel that you've been a victim of the yo-yo effect and as if it's wrecking your body, well, by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly what changes are happening and the importance of making significant changes to your eating habits and weight loss habits to stop the yo-yo effect. My name is Paul Salter, and I'm a registered dietitian, author, coach, course creator, and host of the Screw the Scale podcast. I've used the same education that I'm about to share with you in this video to help thousands of people have their aha moment that was needed to make lasting change to stop the yo-yo effect. If you'll recall from last week's video, yo-yo dieting can be defined as a pattern of cyclic weight loss and regain. The yo-yo effect, therefore, can be thought of as the combination of deleterious effects on the body that result from continuing to lose and regain weight over and over. Now, keep watching to see exactly what the effect is on your body. But first, I want to hear from you. What is one consequence of the yo-yo effect that you're aware of and have experienced? Comment below this video in the comment section and let me know. Normally, being efficient is a good, desirable thing. I mean, there's literally thousands of books that have been written on how to become more efficient. But when it comes to metabolic or bodily efficiency, this isn't nearly as desirable. When you begin a diet and intentionally provide your body with fewer calories than it needs, well, as a result, your body focuses on becoming uber efficient so that it can make the most of the little bit of fuel it is receiving. This means that you experience a major down-regulation in the number of calories that you expend every single day. And this is noteworthy because when your metabolism is operating at roughly 70% of capacity during a diet, you're not equipped to handle an unplanned but inevitable cheat meal. And when this happens, a vast majority of the overwhelming number of calories that you do eat end up being stored as body fat because your metabolism wasn't equipped to handle the excess load. Remember, dieting is a major stress on the body. You're literally pushing your body outside of its comfort zone. And in addition to conserving more energy by becoming uber efficient, your body attempts to remove the stress of dieting by making two major shifts in appetite management hormones. Armed with a two-pronged attack, there's a dramatic increase in appetite-stimulating hormone named ghrelin and a dramatic reduction in the appetite-suppressing hormone known as leptin. The result? You feel hungry around the clock. Your body literally implements a double-edged sword to attack your decision to intentionally eat fewer calories than you need. As you continue to diet, your body becomes more efficient at eating fewer calories, thus your metabolism slows and isn't equipped to handle those inevitable cheat meals. Plus, the major shift I just discussed in appetite management hormones leaves you feeling hungry around the clock. It's safe to say that at this stage, you're literally primed for weight regain. The single moment that you give in to the strong appetite-stimulating signals, you'll indulge in a meal that contains way too many calories than you need or that your body can handle in a given meal, which results in a vast number of these calories being stored as body fat. And as the body fat accumulates, you'll continue to want to seek weight loss and remove it. And so begins the vicious yo-yo dieting cycle. In this video, you learn that your body becomes more efficient when you begin eating fewer calories and that you create an environment that literally has you screaming, "I'm hungry," around the clock. The result? You are primed for rapid weight regain, which further propels you into the vicious yo-yo dieting cycle. The solution to overcome the yo-yo effect is to transition to what I call a post-diet weight maintenance phase, which I talk about in my video titled 3 Steps to Transition to a Post-Diet Weight Maintenance Phase. And to make sure that you're prepared to make a smooth transition to a post-diet weight maintenance phase, you'll want to learn the 11 research-backed tips to successfully make that transition. Click the link on your screen or immediately below this video to get your hands on those 11 tips. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe, share with a friend, someone who would benefit, and to hit the like button so that I know to make more videos just like this. Are you ready to stop the yo-yo effect? Leave a comment below this video with the first action step you're going to take to stop. And don't forget to download my free guide on 11 research-backed tips to successfully maintain your weight loss and break free of the vicious yo-yo dieting cycle. Thank you again for watching this video. Have a wonderful rest of the day, and I'll see you in the next video.